In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in QuickBooks Online 2026. We'll walk through a clean, reliable way to sign in so you can get to your books quickly and securely. I'll also share a few tips to avoid common hiccups along the way without adding any unnecessary steps. First, open your web browser. A modern, up-to-date browser like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox works best. Make sure your internet connection is stable, and consider closing extra tabs to keep things running smoothly. If your browser prompts you to update, do that first to prevent sign-in glitches or security warnings. Next, go to the official QuickBooks online sign-in page. You'll know you're in the right place if you see Intuit branding and a secure lock icon in the address bar. If you prefer to search, use your browser's address bar and select the official result. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures your credentials stay safe. Bookmark the sign-in page for quicker access next time. If you stepped away or switched windows, make sure your web browser is open and front and center with the QuickBooks sign-in screen visible. Having the right window active prevents accidental clicks elsewhere and keeps the process straightforward. On the sign-in form, you'll typically see a field for your user ID or email. Enter the credentials associated with your QuickBooks Online account, then click Next. If the Next button appears disabled, double check for typos or missing characters. If you're prompted to confirm your region or account, follow the on-screen cues before continuing. Now, enter your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so verify that caps lock isn't on and that your keyboard layout is correct. If you use a password manager, let it fill the field to reduce errors. Many sign-in pages offer a show password toggle. Use it if you want to visually confirm everything looks right before continuing. Click Sign In to complete the process. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to verify a code sent to your device or authenticator app. Keep that device nearby, enter the code promptly, and choose whether to trust this device if you're on a private computer. After that, you'll land on your QuickBooks dashboard. If you run into trouble, use the on-screen help links such as Forgot Password, try a different supported browser, or open a private browsing window to bypass cached issues. Also, ensure you're signing in to the correct Intuit account if you manage more than one. That's it. Fast, secure access to QuickBooks Online 2026.